Hi Goddard, it's Miss Liz and Jack Cerrone. We together are gonna show you how to make Fruity Pebbles Rice Krispie treats. So Jax, are you gonna show them all of our supplies? What do you have in your hand? Fruity Pebbles, what's that one? Will you grab that one? We have the marshmallow fluff. You can use mini marshmallows instead if you want. And what's this?
Butter.
Butter. We have half a cup of butter. Okay, so first we're gonna take the wrappers off the butter. We're gonna put them in the bowl. I'm gonna do the other one while you do that one, Jax. All right, go ahead and plop it in there. Yep, go ahead and just get the whole chunk. Okay, now we're gonna put some of the marshmallow in. Go ahead, lift, 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 lift. And get it in the bowl. Nice, okay, scrape it on the edge. Do you know how to do that? I can help you already. You scrape it on the edge. There you go, nice. Now, a grown-up's gonna put this in the microwave. We're gonna heat it up and melt it. So when you microwave the butter and the marshmallow, you're gonna start out with 1 minute intervals. You're gonna take it out, stir it, put it back in for another minute. After the first 2 minutes, if it still needs to be melted, you can put it in for 30 seconds at a time so it doesn't burn. And make sure in between you stir it. Okay, so Jax and I didn't put enough marshmallow in, so our thing was super buttery. So we're adding more marshmallow to it. So then we're gonna put it back in the microwave and let it melt some more. Okay, so Jax, you're gonna put the cereal into this bowl here. Put one in and then we're gonna stir it. Awesome. Okay, put the measuring cup down. You can put it back in right there is perfect. Now take the spatula, this one, and stir it in. It's okay, I got the fork and the lid. There you go. All right, go ahead and stir it in. Yep, you're gonna want to get the marshmallow all over the cereal. So you're gonna keep adding Rice Krispie or Fruity Pebbles or whatever cereal of your choice until the consistency is pretty thick. Right now it's still pretty loose, so we're gonna add more. So Jax, go ahead and get the measuring cup and scoop out some more cereal. I know, it's a hard job. You got it though. Oh, perfect. Okay, dump it in and mix it in real fast. We'll see how much more we need. If you hold the bowl still, it won't move. Hold the bowl with one hand and stir with the other one. Watch. Use this hand to hold the bowl still. You can find a not sticky spot. There you go. Okay, now stir. Does it look good? We ended up using the entire thing of the marshmallow fluff, tire box of Fruity Pebbles, and the butter that we showed you in the beginning. And ultimately we decided that we used a little bit too much cereal. We are guessing with the measurements, so if you know better measurements, feel free to do that instead. So now you're gonna take a 9x13 pan and spray it with butter spray or line it with butter, something so that it won't stick. And you're gonna take your dish and add all of the contents to this pan. So after you've put it in the pan, you're just gonna spread it out so that it's pretty even, so that as it is finishing up, it'll be about the same size the whole way. So now that it's all nice and flat and about the same size, we can see now that it probably was actually the right amount of cereal to marshmallow. So we're gonna set it aside for a little bit to let it cool down so that the marshmallow can harden. And when we're done, we're gonna play a fun game with it to make shapes. So while we wait for the Rice Krispies to cool, Jax and I are gonna play a fun game. These are pattern blocks. Jax is gonna pull one out of the bag and he's gonna guess what kind of shape it is. Go ahead and grab one. What is that one?
Hexagon.
A hexagon. What color is your hexagon?
Yellow.
How many sides does your hexagon have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more. Ready? Let's do it together.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Okay, choose another shape. What's that?
A square.
A square. What color is your square?
Orange.
Orange. And how many sides does your square have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool. Grab another one. Choose another shape. What do you think that one is?
A diamond.
A diamond. And how many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3.
Try one more.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, that's right. And what color was it?
Orange.
What color was that?
It's orange.
It's what color?
Orange.
It's dirty. What's that one?
A diamond.
A diamond. And how many sides does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What color is it?
Blue.
Okay, choose one more. Maybe that red one. What do you think of that one? What's that one?
A triangle.
And how many sides does that one have?
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Which one was your favorite shape?
The orange.
What was it?
Orange.
What shape is that?
A square.
A square. So what we're going to do with our Rice Krispies once they've cooled down is we're going to take a fork or a knife and we're going to cut out our favorite shapes. If you have cookie cutters at home, this is also a fun way to do that. But we're going to make our favorite shapes out of our Rice Krispie treats. Oh, Jackson and I's Rice Krispie treats are done. We cut them out and now we're going to make shapes out of them. Jax, what shape do we have right now?
Square.
Square. Great. So here's a knife. We're going to be very careful with it. And what shape do you want to make now? How about triangle?
Yeah, triangle.
Okay, I love triangles. Will you make a triangle for me? All right, make a triangle out of this shape. How are you going to do it? Okay, use your knife gently and cut it. Why don't you cut the one that we have already out? Watch, I'll show you. I'm going to make one. Watch this. Mine, I'm just going to cut it in half. And look, there's a triangle.
Okay.
Okay, this one's for you. You get to try to make a shape. You can make a diamond, a triangle, a square, a circle, whichever one you want to make. All right, what did you make?
A squares.
A squares?
Yeah.
So long squares are called rectangles. Can you say rectangles?
Rectangles.
Rectangles. Okay, put your knife down and choose one of these. Which shape do you want to eat?
This one.
Okay, take a big bite.
This one.
That one? Okay, pick it up.
Okay.
And put it in your mouth.
It's sticky.
It's sticky? That's the point. That's the marshmallow. Watch, I'll eat one. Ready? Watch.
Let's make another shape out of these.
Okay, go ahead. So Jax did not want to touch it because it's super sticky. So I'm going to help him eat it. Let's try it. Big bite. All right. What do you think? We got a thumbs up from Jax. Must be really good. Let us know if you make them and you really like them. And show us your cool shapes. You can take a picture and bring them to school for us or email them to Laura. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, friends.